Hello everyone, welcome to 4k tips. Today I've got a 4K Linux satellite receiver for you, which name is Amiko Viper 4k51. And this is just only unboxing video. Okay, have a look on the box. As you can see on the box, we got the Viper 4k51. It's a H265 4K digital satellite receiver with E2 OS, which is Enigma or Enigma 2. And what's there is a 3D ready 2x USB port, high speed. I think it's both of them is free version. H265 codec, Open ATV support. Linux enable, like I said, is 4K maximum resolution. It's got an Ethernet port, which is 1 giga. For this price is brilliant. It's actually cost me just only nearly 85 euro. MKV playback, internet time, USB Wi-Fi support, Enigma 2 operating system, card reader, Broadcom processor, Linux. Yeah, this box, both side, all side, and here you go. We got a specification here, which is main feature is simply ultra 1 tuner satellite receiver, MPEG 2, H264 and H265 codec. It's a S2 DVB2 S2 4K E2 operating system, Linux enable. It's got a Broadcom dual core 1.7 GHz processor, 1 GB RAM DDR3 and 4 GB flash memory, which is more than enough. You need it. Resolution is 720p and up to 4K, which is brilliant. C interface for car module, absolutely fine if you need it. Something like that, definitely it's good for you. Fast and easy installation with the installation wizard, 1 card reader slot, universal multimedia playback, videos, internet, radios, and much more, depends the plugin you will use. It's got a 1 gigabit Ethernet connection, and you can use the Wi-Fi and 3G dongle as well. Easily explained with the add-on and plugins. Also, we got the remote management over the HTTP, live stream from network, media playback via local network, electronic program guide APG, user optimized function OSD menu, multi-satellite controller over dispatcher is there as well, high resolution graphic user interface, customized apparent with the skin, multi-language audio text subtitles support as well. Easy software upgrades through the internet USB, full HD connection over the HDMI 1.4 connection, and also support the Dolby Digital Plus, bitstream out via optical, digital audio out, standby power is 0.5, which is good, and DC 12 watt power supply. Brilliant, really nice. Okay, open the box. Okay, have a look inside. Okay, now we have a HDMI cable, manual, receiver. Remote control. Looks nice. And also it's got a quiet buttons as well. That's good. Feels good. Doesn't feel so cheap. It feels good. Power supply, battery, Okay, and receiver is here. Amiko 51. Yeah. Port, USB 3, card reader. And this side, it's HDMI, LAN connection, digital audio out, connect for parabola, and button on off. Okay, we done an unboxing video for this Amiko Viper 4k51. Hopefully you like it and you like know something more and something interesting about this. Any questions, just ask. I will try answer. Hopefully I will be know how to set up or will be working perfectly for me. Not sure, first time I experience with Linux receiver and not sure how it works. I will plug in, test it, and maybe later on make some video and maybe some full review if you request it. Okay, see you later. Click like, click subscribe, and see you on my another video.